Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Samsung Galaxy A05. And for that we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. So here's been the phone previously, and here we'll find the SIM ejection tool. Just remove the rings like this, and otherwise you could use also of course the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you're having the phone like this, you will find now on the side of the phone the SIM tray, and below the SIM tray is a small hole, and now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. Just enter it, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, and this SIM tray is able to insert two SIM cards if you want, next to a micro SD card to extend the internal storage. Let's start now with the first SIM card. You need to place it here in the middle. So, and there's a missing corner on the SIM card. It belongs to the missing corner. It just fits like that. And the contacts, they are below. Okay, and if you want, you can add also optional a second SIM card here on top. Insert it where that nothing jumps out. Okay, this is how it should look like then. Also, your missing corner on missing corner. And the contacts, they are also, of course, below. And if you want, you can add also a micro SD card to extend the internal storage. Place it here at the last position. And add well. And this is how it should look like then. So, and of course, you can use also just one SIM card with a micro SD card as you want. And the contacts, they are below. Okay, and if you're ready with it, just insert your construction here back into the SIM slot. Close it well. And yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.